How to download and install Telegram application on your Android device. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily download and install your Telegram application on your Android device. So first thing, simply head over to your Play Store, and once you're inside your Play Store, just search in for Telegram application. So once you search in for Telegram application, you will be seeing this install option. As you can see, I've already installed it, so just tap on install, and if it's showing you to update it, you might as well click on update. And once it starts, based on your internet speed, it should be downloaded and installed on your device pretty soon. So once you successfully install your application, from over here, just click on open to install your application. To set up your application successfully, from here on out, you just have to follow the on-screen instruction to set up your account. You just need to fill out your country just like this, and country phone number just like this. And once you fill all of your detail, it will it might as well sync your contacts. So simply click on next just like this, and once you do all of that provided instruction, you will be successfully logged into your Telegram account. So, hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.